Hello everyone, so today is a fantastic day in Cheb, Czech Republic.
We have a lot of possibility to go into the processes, to check what we can do better and what to improve, and to see the products, how we can develop new things.
It makes me very excited to see a manufacturer of medium voltage products focus so hard on medium voltage products. Like, that's all Nexans wants to do in accessories, and that makes me very excited.
Really good for a long-term customer relationship, bringing customers here and letting them see exactly what we do in this facility.
Looking at the product itself, I think there's also a lot of potential, like going into automation, automating production, securing quality with that. I think also in this direction, you should not forget that.
Nexans can more do and invest here more to bring this twin solution and this 3D simulation for the application in the offshore business.
Today we have seen Cheb, which is our kitting facility, how we have set up inside the jumpers, the metal parts. So I believe in Nexans in general, not only in Cheb, but I believe in Nexans we have everything is needed to sell to our customers when it comes to cable accessories. And I think all our customers appreciate this, and they have seen it live today throughout the different workshops that they have attended.
I was really surprised to see the changes in the facility. When I visited this facility last year, it was just a kitting facility. Now it is turned to a production thing. This is basically, and also the new systems you have implemented like SOSA and Mobac, this is really surprising me. And in addition to that, this easy joint and the new AI technology implemented along with the easy joint, it's really surprising, yes.
So this is what we do from here, and this day is a special day because our customers, they get to see not only the process of production and how we basically serve them worldwide, but also what are the solutions that Nexans is providing to them or through them, because we are all here to spark electrification with tech solutions.